Hello, it's Miss Jen, and today we're going to read one of our all-time favorites, Fire Truck, and I have the music, too, to go along with it. So here we go. Fire truck, I wanna ride on a fire truck.
Fire truck,
Fire truck, I wanna ride on a fire truck. I wanna sleep in the fire station. Wake me up when the fire bell rings. I'm gonna put on my hat, put on my coat, put on my boots. I'm gonna slide down the pole.
then I'm gonna get into
Fire truck, I wanna ride on a fire truck. I have a hook and a ladder, a hook and a ladder. I climb that ladder and I hold on tight.
I'm gonna get out the hose and I'm gonna
Shoot that water, shoot that water. I'm gonna shoot that water from the hose on my fire truck. I wanna ride on a fire truck.
when that
Fire truck comes near, people put their hands right over their ears.
they do that because the noise is so loud from the siren on my
Fire truck, I wanna ride on a fire truck.
when that fire is all put out.
I'm gonna jump in my fire truck and turn it around. I'm gonna go back to the fire station.
I'm gonna have a hot bath, a hot dinner with hot food like hot chicken, hot
Macaroni and cheese,
and
hot broccoli. And for dessert, I'm gonna have some cold ice cream.
Then
I'm gonna brush my teeth, jump into bed, pull the covers up to my head.
And I'm gonna dream about my
Fire truck, I wanna ride on a fire truck. Fire truck, hey, fire truck, I wanna ride on a fire truck. I can't wait to see you again. Take care.